What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. In the series of previous papers analysis, we are dealing with APPSC Group 2 prelims that is conducted in 2019 May 5th. Last week and yesterday, we discussed up to 32nd question. Now we will discuss remaining questions. 33rd question. Which female cricketer became the first player in the world to cross 2000 runs mark in 20 T20 international cricket? Options are Elise Perry, Sujay Bates, Harmanpreet Kaur and Mithali Raj. For this 33rd question, answer is Mithali Raj. From 33rd question, what we have to take away? Previous questions also, in this question paper, they are asking about women's cricket. We are familiar with men cricket only. That is Sachin Tendulkar, Sehwag, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli. We will know all about that. But this questionnaire examiner is asking about women cricketers. Please concentrate on that. Previously, when India won the blind international cricket game, that is 2018. In 33rd question also, which cricketer crossed the 2000 runs marking 2020 T20 international cricket? That is Mithali Raj. Next question. Which city is going to host 2019 G20 summit? Options are Buenos Aires, Hamburg, Osaka and Riyadh. For this 34th question, answer is Osaka. From 34th question, what we have to take away? What are the different types of summits are going on? What is the importance? Here he asked about G20. There are several different types of summits also there. BRICS, ASEAN, APEC, different summits are there. Please concentrate on different types of summits. Then only we will answer this question. On which day World Environment Day is celebrated? Options: 4th June, 5th June, 6th June and 7th June. For this 35th question, answer is 5th June. But what we have to take from this 35th question? We have to read different types of important of days also, like World Heart Day. Different types of important of days are there. We have to read also. In coming sessions, I will put one session on important days in a calendar up to January to December. I will give that. Please stay tuned to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. Next question. Which movie won the Oscar for the best film in 2018? Oscar. For this, answer is The Shape of Water. What we have to take this from this 36th question? Different types of films, different types of awards are important for this exam. We have to concentrate on Oscar films, awards, different types of awards also is there. In coming session I will deal with that. Please stay tuned to our channel. Awards are more important. Which company makes the fighter aircraft Rafale? For this, answer is Dassault Aviation. What we have to take away? In defense section and science and technology section, we have to read companies also. Which company makes the fighter aircraft Rafale? In 2018, more news about Rafale, Dassault Aviation. Who are following with current affairs? They can answer this question. Next, 38th question. What is the SI unit of inductance? For this, answer is Henry. We have to see the different types of SI units also we have to read. Then only we can answer. What is the Faraday? It is for Capacitance. SI unit of capacitance. What is ohm? It is a SI unit of resistance. What is candela? SI unit of luminous intensity. These are the SI unit of inductance. We have to read that. Henry. What are the different types of SI units? If you read that one, we can answer this question easily. Research of institute have created metamaterial that can soldiers from detection by enemy radars. This is a difficult question. Who are familiar with daily current affairs, they only can answer this question. For this answer is Indian Institute of Kanpur is the right answer. That is Srivastava is developed. Srivastava. Please concentrate daily current affairs also. It is more crucial nowadays. Many questions are asking from current affairs only. Please concentrate on that. Next, in computer terminology, what is MPEG stands for? We are familiar with different types of words. That is MPEG, JPEG, MP4, MP3 file extensions. What is MPEG? That is Moving Pictures Expert Group. That is first one. For this answer is Moving Pictures Expert Group. We have to read abbreviations also. For group 2 they are asking very interestingly, they are asking abbreviations also. What is JPEG? Joint Photographic Expert Group. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Please read that one. The study of mapping the sea floor is known as. Everyone is attempting this question like here sea is there. We can put oceanography for this answer, but oceanography deals with chemicals, physical and biological properties of ocean, not mapping the sea floor. Mapping the sea floor is different. That is, for this answer is bathymetry is the answer, right answer. Paleontology is for fossils, study of fossils. Hydrometeorology is known for water. Please read different types of virology, different types of studies. If you read that studies only, then only we can answer. Oceanography, bathymetry, paleontology, hydrometeorology, both all four options related to each other. If you carefully observe means, then only we can answer this question. Susan Wojcicki is the CEO of which of the following companies? CEO also most important, very most important question. For this answer is YouTube. Susan Wojcicki is a lady, present CEO of YouTube. For Amazon, Jeff Bezos. For Viewerk, Cunningham. Instagram, Sestrom. These are the CEOs of options, given options CEOs. Here I will tell who is the CEO of Microsoft, who is the CEO of Google, who is the CEO of Infosys, who is the CEO of TCS. Very important are different types of CEOs is required. Then only we will answer this question. Next, what represents a frequency of occurrence of specific phenomena that lies within a specific range of values arranged in a consecutive and fixed intervals? That is histogram. For this answer is histogram. Histogram is a frequency of occurrence of specific phenomena that lies within a specific range of values arranged in consecutive and fixed intervals. That is histogram. Here, what is DIIM in information technology? That is dual inline memory module. Dual, D for dual, digital, demon, Degasus. These are the options given here. But DIM is known as dual inline memory module. Here 45th question is very interesting. We have to see the options, then only we will answer. This is very simple questions. By eliminating we can answer. Galileo, Thomas Alva Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Carl Ferdinand Barnum. We are familiar with some words, that is Galileo, Thomas Alva Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Carl. We don't know about Carl Benderhand. Innovations: telephone, cathode ray, telescope, electric light bulb. We know that Thomas Alva Edison is invented electric bulb, that is B4. Alexander Graham Bell, he invented telephone. Next, Galileo, that is he invented A3, that is telescope. Remaining one we can answer like D2, that is cathode ray tube. With this we can answer that question also. Next, 46th question. Which was the first unmanned super spacecraft to land on the moon? That is Luna 2. What is LED stands for? That is light emitting diode. Please concentrate on observations. I previously told different types of abbreviations is required. What is MPEG, LED? Two types of abbreviations here asked. That's why we have to more concentrate on abbreviations. Next, in which year first common effluent treatment CETP of India commenced in Andhra Pradesh to cater the needs of small scale industries? That is very difficult question. Who can read that CETP, then only he can answer. If you don't know the question, please leave it and please move on to second question in the exam hall. Then only we will crack the competitive exams. Don't stuck with that question. 1989 is the correct answer. Next, which governance is initiative in Andhra Pradesh is a public grievance redressal system? That is Prajavani. This Prajavani is in socio-economic survey. Please read socio-economic survey. Then only you can answer different types of questions. It is very, very important for competitive exams. Next, which smart city in India has become the first to run 100% renewable energy during the daytime? For this answer is Diu. Diu is the answer. Diu is the smart city in India has become the first to run the 100% renewable energy during the daytime. With this we completed first part, that is 1 to 50 questions. Next part we will discuss after. If you have any doubts, please comment in our comment box. And please follow our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. I am following SPR technique, that is syllabus, previous papers and revision. This technique, please use it in your competitive exams. You can easily crack your exams. We are following after notification of group 1 or group 2, I will clearly deal with the syllabus. First we have to read the previous papers, then only we will understand the concepts or subject, what we have to read, what not to read. With this we can conclude our video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel Gear Up for Group 1. Thank you. Signing off, your Sunny Sandeep.